Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to place a buy position on your Bitrue Exchange app using future derivatives trade signals on our Telegram channel. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're new to this YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified each time we post an important video like this. Alright, let's get started. Right here is your Bitrue Exchange app homepage. This is how it's going to look like, where you'll be seeing your home market trading, futures and asset right here. So right now you're going to be clicking on futures because you want to be making use of futures trading. You click on it. So once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like, right? So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to search for our crypto pair. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see the crypto pair right here, which is AVAX USDT direction long, which means buy, and there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out. So right now let's go back to our Bitrue Exchange app to search for our crypto pair. On our Bitrue Exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So we're just gonna tap on it. Once we tap on it, so you're gonna search for AVAX USDT. So you can see it right here. So you just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel to search for our entry price. On our Telegram channel right here, you can see our entry price right here, which is 23.280. So let's go back to our Bitrue Exchange app to set our entry price. So on our Bitrue Exchange app, this is where you put in your entry price, and now our entry price is 22.3 23.280. So right here is where you select the amount of AVAX token you want to get. You want to get 0.05. so you can always use the slider if you want, but I just want to use this plus icon, so I'll just tap on it. I want to get 0.5 token of AVAX USDT. So right now let's set our take profit and stop loss. You click on this icon. So once you click on it, you can see your take profit right here and your stop loss right here. So right now let's go back to our Telegram channel where we can set our take profit and stop loss. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our take profit right here, which is 23.840. So let's go back to our Bitrue Exchange app to set our take profit. Always remember to set your take profit, guys, and always risk the amount of money you are comfortable losing as a trader, because you want to be making more profit and while making less of your losses. So right now let's go back to our Bitrue Exchange app to set our take profit. So on our Bitrue Exchange app, this is where we type in our take profit right here. As you can see, 23.840 is our take profit. So right now let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our stop loss right here. So on our Telegram channel right here, you can see our stop loss right here. You can see which is 22.895. So right now let's go back to our Bitrue Exchange app to set our stop loss. So on our Bitrue Exchange app right here, let's type in our stop loss, which is 22.895. So right now you can see if you've checked that everything is correct and everything is okay, now you can then click on this buy icon right here. Once you click on this buy icon right here and you agree, you can see they are saying I should verify. Once you click on the buy icon, your orders will be on this open orders right here. Your orders will be waiting till market reach the order price you placed on this trade, then it will trigger and it will be on position right here. So thank you for watching this video up to this time. If you're still watching, this is the simplest way of using future derivatives trade signals on your Bitrue Exchange app. And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with them, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and get a discount for doing that. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share trade signals every day. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.